Hello, it's Brian Rezny. It's question and answer day. Guess what? One of the things that I've noticed is a couple years ago I was getting a boatload of questions about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and should you invest and is that going to be the next, big investment. I also got a lot of calls and questions on SPACs, special purpose acquisition corporations, which you're not hearing anything about anymore. So we never believed in SPACs. They were basically, in our opinion, a smoke and mirrors game, a high cost structure, bad for you, the investor. Never did any of those, and we recommended never for any investor to do a SPAC. We also said the same thing, but even worse, on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Are we right? I firmly believe all cryptocurrencies are a bunch of junk. It's a Ponzi scheme, and just so you know, there's over 19,000 different cryptocurrencies today. They're supposed to be an inflation hedge, but they're down 60-80% year to date. What? Guess that didn't work out. They're supposed to be a safe haven and react different than the equity market, but they're down 60-80%. Again, not an alternative asset. Some of these other firms out there, because again, they line their pockets by selling these high margin investments like a cryptocurrency, talk some of their clients into buying this junk. We do not believe in cryptocurrency as an investment. Cryptocurrency, there will be a cryptocurrency by all the governments one day, but it's not going to be today, but it will be one day. It'll be a means of payment, essentially, is what it is. We've got some of these already built into your electronic wallet on your phones and things of that nature, but there will be cryptocurrencies one day, but it'll be a stable dollar type scenario. And by the way, there's also called stable coins, which haven't been stable either. So what's really interesting is all the things that were talked about cryptocurrency, the exact opposite happened, and they've all collapsed. There's a bunch of issues with cryptocurrency, with a lot of fraud, companies and exchanges that have gone belly up and bust. So what I would say to you is this: if you think you're going to get rich off cryptocurrency or the next hot this or the next hot that, realistically, you're going to lose your shirt. I've been managing money for over 35 years. I've seen all kinds of fads come and go. And when I see something that has no value at all, like cryptocurrencies, what happens? Investors lose. So remember, no quick rich schemes, proper investing, real strategy, a lot of research every day, and subtle changes when changes need to be made to a portfolio. If you're not a client of our firm, give us a call. By the way, we've been inundated with calls from our TV and radio show listeners who don't have $1 million anymore to hire a firm because their accounts are down because of maybe poor management. We are temporarily, until the end of this year, going to take clients, new clients that have $500,000 on up, for management. So we're making a temporary exception. So if you're one of those individuals that want to hire our firm and want to talk to us about managing your money, and you've got that $600,000, $700,000, $800,000 and you don't meet our minimum of $1 million, temporarily to the end of the year, we're going to take new clients at $500,000 on up. This is temporary. It's going to go away at the end of the year. Keep that in mind. Call our office if you want to schedule a consultation. Again, to talk about our services and us professionally managing your money. Have a safe and profitable day.